I tighten down. No blade play, that's good. Ooh, way smoother. Way smoother. So it must have just needed some lubrication or love in there. That's so wrong. Moving along. I'm back. Much better. It's not super fall shutty, but the blade is relatively thin and lightweight, so I can't ooh, it's big. Oh, that's better. Yeah, nice. Yeah, high quality action. Okay, no play. A little tight. Let's see if we can relax things a bit. Oh yeah. That's a nice action. Okay. Oh yeah. Yeah. All right, we're good to go. Oh man, that's good. Yeah, sealed back. Oh man. That's beautiful. And you're off. And I'm just playing with the pivot here. Really, there we go. And we are, oh yeah, we're in. So, drop that in there. Did I just swap those around? I may have. Well, luckily it doesn't matter. All right. Whoa. Holy I can't say that word on YouTube. Holy Look at that freaking action, guys. So that cleanup was between the... Holy crap, guys. This action has just gotten incredible. Holy crap. Well. Wow. That's just great. Boy, holy crap. That freaking action is incredible, guys. And that said that I am even more blown away than I was previously. But it's done now.